My name is Raphaël Mercier, Research Director in Plant Genetics at Inra's Versailles Center. I'm working on meiosis, using Arabidopsis thaliana as a model, and I've been with Inra since 1998. After studying cell biology and genetics, I conducted my thesis at Inra from 1998 to 2001. And then I sat competitive exams in 2003 for a research scientist position here in Versailles, where I'm now research director. Meiosis is a cell division during which genetic information is produced for offspring. Our favorite model, Arabidopsis, is used to understand the mechanisms of meiosis, how it works, how chromosomes are transmitted, how these are mixed between generations to create the genetic information of the next generation. In practice, we silence certain genes and we look at the consequences. What are the defects observed during meiosis if this gene is silenced? So, for example, you can see here that we have a plant in which we've silenced one specific gene. The result of silencing this particular gene is infertility, as you can see here. Here, tiny fruit, compared to the normal plant here, which has large fruit. Therefore, through logical reasoning, little by little, we come to understand what genes are for and how the mechanism for mixing and distributing chromosomes works during meiosis.
I enjoy working with Raphaël. He's someone who always has new ideas, who's always at the forefront in new technologies. And I also appreciate the trust he puts in me and in my work.
Meiosis is the heart of reality, so it's a core issue in biology. This is also where the recombination of genetic information used by breeders to combine traits in new varieties takes place. Therefore, controlling or better understanding how and where the recombination occurs has direct applications in approaches to plant migration and, therefore, in agriculture.
I work with Raphaël Mercier every day. We share the same office. He has this knack for assimilating things quickly and looking at results from a new perspective.
The discoveries we make in an organism are very transposable, often directly to other organisms. So the findings may apply to biology in general, they may apply to human medicine, to reproduction, or they may apply to plant migration. In my opinion, Mercier is one of the most talented researchers of his generation. He's produced a lot of very important breakthrough innovations that have the potential to change the rules of the game in plant migration. What Inra, which is an institute with a more hands-on vocation, has to offer is the ability to do basic research prior to this applied research. And more specifically here, at the Versailles Center, in addition to a stimulating scientific environment, we enjoy absolutely unique infrastructures, unique in Europe and even in the world, with which we can carry out our experiments, like these greenhouses